Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to auto-update departments by OU in Google Workspace using Foresight. Departments and OU are two related concepts. The department is a field in the company directory, visible to company users, while OU is a field only visible to Google admins. Google Admin Consoles does not have the option to automatically update the departments when a user's OU is changed. But Foresight can work very efficiently in this case. We have two use cases here. Bulk update departments by OU. Automatically update departments by OU. Let's see the first use case. Rule creation. Rule 1. Exporting users list. Step 1. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Manual trigger. Step 3. And select List Users action. Here select two columns, Email and Organization Unit Path. Click Review. Step 4. Enter rule name and click Create. As you can see, the rule is created. Click on the play button to trigger the rule manually. As you can see in the log, that rule is executed successfully. You can download the CSV file from this link. Here is the CSV that we have downloaded. Rule 2. Bulk update department by OU. Step 1. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file. Click Next. Step 3. Select the If action to set some conditions. In the first branch, we will set the conditions for the Customer Services department as follows. If the org unit path text starts with the Customer Services org, then click Add Next action and select Update Employee Department. And set the employee department as Customer Services. Now, set the condition for digital marketing. And a fallback department as follows. Click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule and click Create. The rule is created. Before triggering the rule, look at the employee departments. They are blank. Now, let's trigger the rule. Click the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. Verifying results. After some time, a notification will appear. Now, go to the Logs page. Here you can see the rule has run successfully. Let's verify the results from Google Admin Console. You can see all employee departments are updated according to their organizational unit listed in CSV. Now, let's see the second use case, Auto Update Department by OU. Step 1. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the User's Organizational Unit Change trigger. Here select the current and new organizational unit path. Click Next. Step 3. Select If action. Set first branch conditions as follows. If new organizational unit path text starts with Customer Services org unit path. Then, click Add Next Action and select Update Employee Department Action. Here set the value to the Customer Services Department. Click Review. Step 4. Enter rule name and click Create. Triggering the rule. Now in the Google Admin Console, we have changed the org unit from Customer Success to Customer Services. Verifying results. As you can see, the logs page shows a successful rule triggering, and the department of this particular employee is updated to Customer Services. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.